I think this drugstore lip gloss is better than everybody's favorite high-end lip oil. These are easily my favorite drugstore makeup release of the year. They are the Clean Fresh Yummy Lip Glosses from CoverGirl. These come in 12 juicy shades. Let me show you my favorite. This is my purse shade. It comes everywhere with me. It's my straw booty, and they all have equally adorable names. This one smells like berries. There are 3 different scents to these lip glosses. I love my straw booty. By far my favorite scent and color. Kind of matched my nails to this shade of lip gloss, but it has a huge plush applicator. It picks up a perfect amount. You don't have to dip in more than once. And wait until you see, oh, how smooth it makes my lips. These are actually packed with really good skincare ingredients like hyaluronic acid and antioxidant berries. So you are actually nourishing and treating your lips like a lip oil, but in a delicious candy scented lip gloss. Run, don't walk. I think these are gonna fly off the shelves.